Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if this is your first time here, hello! Today, we're talking all about eye bags and dark circles. They can make us look tired or older, but understanding the different types, why they happen, and how to treat them can really help. Plus, I'll share an easy DIY coffee mask and a tea bag trick you can do at home to brighten up those under eyes. Let's dive in. First up, it's important to know there are different kinds of eye bags and dark circles. Not every dark circle or puffiness is the same, and knowing what you have helps you fix it better. Some dark circles come from pigmentation. This means your skin under the eyes has more pigment, often brown or grayish, and it doesn't fade even if you get plenty of sleep. It's common in people with medium to darker skin tones and can be made worse by rubbing your eyes or skipping sunscreen. The best way to treat pigmentation is with brightening ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, or licorice root extract. And don't forget to use sunscreen under your eyes every day. At night, gentle retinol or peptides can help brighten the area and speed up skin renewal. Then there are hollow eye bags. These happen when the area under your eyes loses volume, making you look tired or sunken even if you're well rested. This is usually because of aging or natural facial structure. Topical creams with peptides or hyaluronic acid might help a little, but for noticeable improvement, some people get dermal fillers from a professional. Everyday tricks like cooling eye rollers or caffeine-infused patches can reduce puffiness and refresh your eyes. Next, puffy bags. If your eyes look swollen, especially in the morning, it's probably fluid retention. This can happen from salty food, crying, or sleeping flat. To reduce puffiness, try sleeping with your head elevated and drinking plenty of water. Using jade rollers or gua sha stones can help massage the area and encourage drainage. Even cold spoons or chilled cucumber slices work well to soothe puffiness. Now, here's a simple DIY coffee mask to help with puffiness and dullness. Mix 1 teaspoon of ground coffee with 1 teaspoon of honey or yogurt into a thick paste. Gently dab it under your eyes. Don't rub, and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, rinse with cool water. Doing this once or twice a week can brighten and depuff your eyes over time. Another classic trick is chilled tea bags. After brewing green or black tea, chill the bags in the fridge for 15 minutes. Then place them over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. The caffeine and antioxidants help reduce swelling and calm the skin. No matter what type of eye bags or dark circles you have, some habits always help. Stay hydrated, get enough sleep, protect your skin with sunscreen, and be gentle around your eyes. Remember, almost everyone has some kind of under-eye concern. That's totally normal. With patience and the right care, you can brighten and refresh your eyes to look and feel your best. Thanks so much for listening. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your experience. What type of eye bags or dark circles do you have? What works for you? See you next time.